ModuleWorks and Amann Girrbach. Ceramill Matron. 45 degrees A and B axes for power and maximum precision for metal processing. Ceramill Matron, powered by ModuleWorks. Offers the best-in-class milling toolpaths, allowing optimized machining time. In order to achieve the highest surface quality, combined with reduced tool wear. RFID technology for automated tool management. Unlimited and flexible equipping for maximum efficiency. One-click snap mag. Fabricate all materials, all indications, in top quality. 8 blank slots with RFID recognition. Amann Girrbach's Ceramill Matron demonstrates ModuleWorks' impact on the quality of dental restorative results. Strong partnership equals serious fun.